Hi y'all, this is Grace from Grace Ann Studio, and today we're talking all things sketchnotes. Sketchnotes are a way of visually taking notes and combining both writing and drawing or doodling to convey ideas and use flow. Sketchnotes are for anyone and everyone. You do not have to be an artist to do them. They're all about conveying ideas, so as long as you can read your notes and understand them, you're good to go. Sketchnotes can be taken anywhere. You can doodle them on your iPad, you can use just a plain old spiral notebook, or a fancy notebook that you like to keep all your sketchnotes in one place. Sketchnotes can be used for more than just taking class notes. You can use them to create mind maps, for storytelling, processes, meetings. Really, the list is endless. Any need you might have to convey ideas visually, sketchnotes could be a great option. I suggest giving sketchnotes a try if you're trying to improve your concentration and retention of your note taking. They engage both sides of the brain, the verbal and the visual, so you're more likely to remember what you're writing down. And besides that, they're really just fun. And finally, how? Start with a pencil, make a plan, and draw some connections. We'll get into exactly how you can create your own sketchnotes really soon. Tombow has some great products that'll help you to start sketchnoting and then go beyond the basics once you're ready. The first one is the Mono Drawing Pen Set. Really, all you need is one, but because they come in 6 different weights, you can add a lot of variety to your sketchnotes just by using this set of pens. Next is the Fudenosuke Soft Tip and the Fudenosuke Hard Tip. The soft tip has the flexible brush tip that we all know and love for brush lettering, and it allows you to get a variety of lines in just one pen. The hard tip also has your flexible brush tip, although less flexible than the soft tip, but the hard tip also comes in several fun colors. The twin tone dual tip markers are a great way to add color to your sketch notes. They come with a fine tip and a broad tip, and in 3 different 12 packs. The rainbow one happens to be my favorite. The Mono Edge Highlighter is also a great choice for adding color to your sketch notes. It comes with the chisel tip and a fine tip for highlighting, and it comes in 6 different colors. Finally, this list would not be complete without the Mono Eraser and the Monograph Mechanical Pencil, and the Mono Zero Eraser. All 3 of these are a great way to start sketching out your sketch notes and blocking everything out before you add the ink. Exactly how you sketchnote is completely up to you, but they all start with the same basic flow. Start in pencil, sketch out your ideas, and plan for a general flow. From there, choose your connectors or how your pieces of information or ideas are going to fit together. And finally, start to fill in and draw the main ideas or write them down. To wrap it up, you embellish with lots of color and fonts to make it fun and really feel like it's your own. Well, this started out really cute with just the mono drawing pens. I decided to use the twin tone markers to give it a little bit of extra embellishment. Adding illustrations and doodles to sketchnotes is half the fun. So here's a cute starter page for you guys to have as resources to get started sketchnoting. You've got all of your bullets, and as you take those bullets, it'll help you to organize the information. There are also some fonts that you can use to make your lettering pop or to take notes in. Use your boxes and connectors to organize your information. Using different boxes can help you to organize your ideas, and connectors can help you to show flow between your ideas. Finally, add doodles to make your sketch notes come to life and really show your personality. Adding doodles and illustrations to your sketch notes is half the fun. So be sure to add some color and personality and definitely make the sketch notes your own. Thanks again for joining me for Sketchnote Introductions. Again, this is Grace from Grace Ann Studio, and if you guys start to sketchnote, tag me on social media so that I can cheer you on. Thanks!